What's up guys, and welcome to the 8th tutorial of programming in Java. And in this tutorial it's all about arrays. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So I'm going to go here, click File, New, Java Project, name this array, finish that off, click here, click there, click this, and now make a class called name. We don't need to do this, we need to do that in the next part, second class. So finish this off, get rid of all of that, paste. You're already familiar with all this, fields, your constructors, your methods, because we did it in the previous tutorial. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out and then come back to this and watch the next part. Because like I said, from now on we're always using multiple classes. So I'm going to go here again, click class and click name, add name test, and press that, press finished. There you go. And now we can start testing out the code. Put this side by side. Okay, so now get rid of all of this. And now start coding. So name friends equals new name. Just say 4. You can have anything you want. Okay, now this basically declares an array to hold 4 name objects. What I'm about to do now is name n equals new name I'll put my name in, friends equals n, close that off as well. Okay, so this basically just creates a name object and assigns references into an array. The next part is copy that, paste it there, change that to 1, and now we can just start creating some new name objects and assign reference directly into the array like we did on top. Equals new name copy all of this, paste it a couple of times. These are just random names that I'm making up. Change this to number 2, number 3. And now I can just start looping through each element with a for loop. So for int I not 1 equals 0. I is less than friends dot length, close that off, I plus plus, increment that, curly braces, and just system out print. That didn't work. Should be a shortcut. Okay, system.out println so friends are in there. We can just start getting the first name and see what that gives us. If we do run, what does that give us? Yes, there you go. It gives us all the names, all the names saved in the array. And now we can do some other stuff, such as declare boolean and loop through the name object again, and output the search result. So this one is, that goes there, this one goes here, so this one goes there. Okay, correct indentation, yep, it is. Or it's a boolean exists equals false. Now using a for loop, name nm, you can have anything you want, colon, friends, curly braces, if nm dot, that should come up, yet, get family name dot equals yeah, it should be equals. There you go. Get rid of this, we don't need that. Get rid of that as well. Smith. Yeah. Put some more curly braces here. Equals true. Colon there. There you go. Command A, command there. Save that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if exists. Curly brace. Copy this. We could say there is a person with family name of Smith. Else, this is like an if else statement. Copy this, paste that there. Family name with not Smith. Oh, we missed a semicolon off there. Alright, so save all of that. Let's just start running this. Compile it, execute it. There you go. Family name with Smith. Paste that there just to show you what is actually happening. Save that, compile that again. There you go, family name with Smith. Yep. So where it says Rayhan, Joe, Kevin, Mark, those are all the names. We used an array, then we printed them out with a for statement, and then we used the booleans and we used another for statement to see if Smith is there, it's true. If it exists, then we say family name with Smith, and that just gets printed out. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the other tutorial or in the next tutorial where we will be looking at array list. In this tutorial we looked at arrays. In the next tutorial we will look at array list. Thanks for now.